Are you tired of juggling ideas, notes, and tasks without a clear way to organize them? Whether you're brainstorming, planning a project, or managing a busy workload, Wondershare EdrawMind is here to help you take control of your ideas and visualize them with ease. EdrawMind is more than just a mind mapping tool. It's a platform designed to help you think creatively, structure your thoughts, and collaborate effectively. Let's dive into why it's the best mind mapping software out there and how it can transform the way you work. Create stunning, custom mind maps. Have you ever started a brainstorming session and felt like you needed more structure? With EdrawMind, you get 26 different structures to build your mind maps exactly the way you want. Whether it's a flowchart, tree diagram, or even a fishbone layout, EdrawMind gives you the flexibility to design mind maps that match your thought process. And with 47 pre-designed themes, your mind maps won't just be functional, they'll be beautiful too. Imagine being able to turn a complex idea into a clear, organized visual with just a few clicks. Whether you're mapping out your next business strategy, writing a novel, or organizing a personal project, EdrawMind has you covered. Switching perspectives with Outliner Mode. Do you prefer seeing your ideas in a more structured, linear format? Outliner Mode lets you switch from a visual mind map to a list view with one simple click. This is perfect for when you need to break down your ideas step by step. Whether you're outlining an essay, building a project timeline, or managing tasks, this mode gives you a new perspective that helps make even the most complicated projects more manageable. Collaboration has never been easier. We all know how important collaboration is, especially when working remotely or in teams. With EdrawMind, you can easily share your mind maps by posting them on social media or sending a simple link. Whether you're working on a school project or sharing a business proposal with your team, real-time collaboration becomes effortless. Just send the link, and your coworkers can jump in to help refine the project or brainstorm with you. A gallery full of inspiration. Sometimes we all need a little inspiration. That's where the Mind Map Gallery comes in. It's a rich online community filled with ready-made mind map templates covering a wide range of topics and use cases. From personal productivity to business planning, you'll find examples and ideas that spark your creativity and help you kickstart your own projects. Work anytime, anywhere with cross-platform support. Today's world is all about flexibility, and EdrawMind delivers. Whether you're on a Windows, Mac, Linux, mobile, or web platform, EdrawMind works seamlessly across all devices. And with cloud synchronization, you can start a mind map on your desktop and pick up right where you left off on your phone. No more worrying about which device you're using. Your files are always with you, updated in real time. Turn your mind maps into professional presentations. Need to share your mind map with an audience? With Slide Mode, you can turn your mind map into a slide-by-slide presentation instantly. One click, and you're ready to present your ideas without the hassle of building a separate PowerPoint. This feature is a game changer for anyone who needs to present mind maps in meetings, classrooms, or even to clients. Seamless import and export options, EdrawMind makes it incredibly easy to import and export your documents. You can transform files like Word documents into mind maps, or export your mind map into various formats such as PPT, PDF, HTML, JPG, SVG, and XLSX. Whether you need to share a polished presentation or work across multiple platforms, EdrawMind ensures compatibility and convenience. Discover the power of EdrawMind. 5.12 EdrawMind keeps getting better with every version, and V12 brings some incredible new features to the table. Let's start with PPT 2.0. Imagine being able to convert mind maps, sentences, and media files into an editable PowerPoint presentation with a single click. You get over 30 professional design styles to choose from, so your presentations always look polished and ready to impress. The new AI image processing tool is another exciting addition. It takes the heavy lifting out of editing images by offering features like background removal, image compression, and intelligent object removal. Whether you're working on a creative project or polishing up a presentation, this AI tool makes your visuals pop. Then there's Kanban Mode. If you're into project management or need a way to keep tasks organized, you'll love this. You can convert your mind maps into Kanban boards, which makes it easy to manage tasks, track progress, and meet deadlines. It's perfect for keeping projects organized and on track. And for those who need more dynamic presentations, Pitch Mode is your go-to feature. It transforms your static mind maps into animated, visually engaging presentations, making it ideal for pitching ideas to clients or teams. Finally, mixed layouts give you the freedom to choose from 15 different layouts, allowing you to customize your mind maps to perfectly suit your presentation style. AI-powered productivity, EdrawMind 512 takes productivity to the next level with its AI-powered features. Whether you're working on a thesis, project planning, or task management, the AI assistant is there to streamline your workflow. From AI summarization to converting your ideas into mind maps, presentations, and Kanban boards, the AI tools help you focus on what matters most, getting things done. For example, you can start with an AI summary of your notes, convert that into a mind map, then export it as a PPT or a Kanban board for tracking tasks. It's like having a productivity assistant working alongside you. Ready to get started? If you're looking for a mind mapping tool that combines creativity, collaboration, and efficiency, Wondershare EdrawMind is the perfect solution. With its wide range of features, cross-platform accessibility, and AI-driven tools, EdrawMind empowers you to take control of your projects and bring your ideas to life. Ready to unlock your potential? Visit edrawsoft.com today to get started and discover the future of mind mapping. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, comment for more video. See you in the next one.